Crab. Crabs are invertebrates, meaning they have no backbone. All crabs are covered by their hard shells that protect their internal organs. The pinchers, which are the claws, are crabs' most important weapons. They're omnivores, which means they eat almost anything they find. Shark. Sharks have muscular, upturned tail and pointed fins. They normally have tough gray skin and tooth-like scales. There are over 500 species of shark. They're carnivores and are picky eaters, and they have excellent vision. Octopus. Octopuses are sea animals famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes, and 8 long arms. An octopus can change color quickly depending on its surroundings or its mood. It can be gray, brown, pink, blue, green, or even an angry red if it's suddenly frightened. Anglerfish. An anglerfish is a type of fish that lives deep in the ocean. It finds food by angling prey and with a light that comes off the front of its head, which acts like a fishing lure. Hammerhead Shark. A hammerhead shark uses its wide head to trap stingrays by pinning them to the seafloor. The shark's eye placement on each end of its wide head allows it to scan more area more quickly than other sharks can. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Inside their bell-shaped body is an opening that is its mouth. They eat and discard waste from its opening. Jellyfish sting can be painful to humans and sometimes very dangerous. But they don't purposely attack humans. Most stings occur when people accidentally touch a jellyfish. Shrimp. Shrimp are characterized by a semi-transparent body flattened from side to side and a flexible abdomen. There are about 2,000 different kinds of shrimp, and they all don't look like the shrimp you see on your plate. They're good at adjusting to their surroundings and are found in both saltwater and freshwater all over the world. Lobster. Lobsters live in the ocean floor and can swim backwards. They cannot process pain, and they never stop growing. A crucial link in the food chain, lobsters regulate their populations of smaller organisms such as crabs and sea urchins, which prevent imbalances in the coral reef ecosystem. Pufferfish. A pufferfish is the most poisonous fish in the sea. They contain a toxic substance that makes them foul-tasting and potentially deadly to other fish. The toxin is deadly to humans. Leopard seal. Leopard seals, also known as sea leopards, get their name from the spotted gray skin that looks like a leopard cat. They can weigh between 800 to 1,300 pounds. That's heavier than a horse. They live in the Antarctic and subantarctic waters where they also eat penguins. Sea turtles. Sea turtles have similar lifespans to human. They're super strong swimmers and they're propelled through the water using their strong paddle-like flippers. Most sea turtles spend their entire life at sea, only returning to nesting beaches to lay eggs. Penguin. Penguins are flightless aquatic birds. They stay near the oceans and seas where they can swim easily to find food. They are carnivores, which their diet typically consists of fish, crabs, and krill. Squid. Squid can live either near the coast or the deep in the ocean. A squid has a long, tube-shaped body with a short head. A shell supports the body from the inside. Corals. Corals are animals. They eat plankton and small fish. There are hundreds of coral species, which are all shapes and sizes. They support 25% of ocean life. Dolphins. Dolphins are mammals and are carnivores. They live for 45 to 50 years and are great communicators. They shed their outermost layer of skin every 2 hours. Seal. Seals are marine mammals that spend most of their time in the ocean and can grow between 3.5 to 16 feet long. They're carnivores. They use strong teeth to eat fish, squid, and penguins.
You can subscribe.